it's me. I think I'm in Google Plus. Yes, followers. I mean, subscribers. Yes, I had a haircut. They want my hair to be this. I'm to make sure I have a bangs, so I put some bangs. So what are we doing? Some quick updates. Follow me on Twitter, SmileShoot31. Read my bio first. What do you think? Ask me some questions and I'll answer. And I'll answer it in my next video. Actually, my exam is on August 23, I think. 23, then 4, 25. Just on Thursday to Saturday. I don't know what day it is. Wish me luck, everyone. Just fingers. This is in 1 minute upload, so bye.